RedMagic has confirmed the launch of RedMagic 11 Pro series phones that will include RedMagic 11 Pro and RedMagic 11 Pro Plus at an event in China on October 17th. The phones will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. It will boast an upgraded built-in cooling fan, which will allow it to have an IP68 dust and water resistance rating. The combination of an active fan and an IP rating was pioneered last month by the Oppo K13 Turbo and K13 Turbo Pro, but those two are only water resistant. The RedMagic 11 will be the first ever smartphone to have an active cooling fan as well as both water and dust resistance. Features a 6.8-inch 1.5K 1216 by 2688 pixels BOEQ9 Plus AMOLED display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate. The RedMagic 11 Pro series could be equipped with a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. The new device may be equipped with a large-capacity battery of up to 8,000 mAh. It is also said to include a top-end touch control chip aimed at improving responsiveness in gaming scenarios, with 120W charging support, which will completely solve the endurance anxiety of heavy gaming players. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.